Hi, my name is Lauren, and today I'm going to discuss how to make your hair grow faster without chemicals. On average, our hair grows about 1/2 inch a month. During the summer, it actually grows a little bit more than what we would see during the winter because of the amount of sunshine that our hair does get. Sunlight will help grow your hair by adding vitamin D into your hair, and will help it grow faster. A few are the vitamins that you can actually supplement or get from your natural foods and your well-rounded diet would be biotin, B12, B3. Your B vitamins are very important to hair growth. Biotin also helps strengthen the hair. It helps strengthen the proteins, plus also help your hair grow. You really want to focus on getting a sufficient amount of B vitamins in order to help your hair grow a little bit faster and healthier. Vitamin C is also very good for your hair because it will help it make it healthier, plus it'll increase the amount of circulation that goes towards your hair follicle. Vitamin E will do the same and will also increase the circulation and blood flow that goes to your head, which will then feed and nourish your hair follicle more thoroughly. Another great way that you can do that is through scalp massages, where when you are shampooing and conditioning, if you pay attention to really massaging your scalp, you will increase the blood circulation to the area, which will then help nourish your papilla, which is what your hair grows out of, and what is the nourishing factor of your hair. Once all of that is stimulated, your hair will actually grow a bit on the faster side. Multivitamins are very important, and just regular vitamins you can take in biotin just as a pill in and of itself. You also can get hair, skin, and nail vitamins, which are actually on the market from any one of your drugstores, and their vitamins are actually geared towards the nutrients and vitamins that your hair needs in order to promote healthy and happy and growing hair. And that is how to grow your hair naturally without chemicals.